Amazon is the leading e-commerce platform that connects buyers and sellers globally. It provides a vast marketplace for various products ranging from electronics to household goods. However, one persistent issue on the platform is the presence of counterfeit goods. Counterfeit items, unauthorized replicas of genuine products, can be listed by third-party sellers. This poses a challenge for both consumers and genuine brands, leading Amazon to implement initiatives like the Transparency Program and the Amazon Brand Registry to enhance intellectual property protection and combat counterfeiting. Despite these efforts, managing counterfeit goods remains an ongoing concern for Amazon and its users. So, what are the programs available at Amazon? They have implemented several measures to protect intellectual property rights and create a trustworthy marketplace for sellers and customers. Key aspects of the IP protection landscape at Amazon include: number one, the Brand Registry. Amazon Brand Registry is a program designed to help brand owners protect their IP and create an accurate and trusted experience for customers. It provides tools and resources to help brands enforce their intellectual property rights. Trademark protection is another aspect of the Amazon program. Amazon places a strong emphasis on trademarks and encourages sellers to register the trademarks. This helps in establishing and protecting brand identities, and registered trademark owners may receive additional protections on the platform. Amazon also provides reporting tools for right owners to report potential infringement. This includes reporting instances of trademark infringement, copyright infringement, and counterfeit products. They also have a transparency program which is aimed at protecting brands from counterfeit products. Participating brands apply unique codes to the products, and Amazon system verifies the authenticity of these codes before the products are shipped. They also have an anti-counterfeiting policy that prohibits the sale of counterfeit goods on the platform. Sellers found to be in violation of this policy may face penalties, including suspension of the selling privileges. Next, we will talk about the advantages of trademarking your brand and how to use that in the Amazon Brand Registry. So, the Amazon Brand Registry is a program designed to help brand owners protect their intellectual property and maintain control over their brand presence on the Amazon platform. Here's a brief overview of how the Brand Registry program works. First is eligibility. To enroll in the Brand Registry, you must have an active registered trademark for your brand. This trademark must be in the form of a standard character mark or a word mark or an image mark. So for more on how to register trademarks, please see our other videos at the Inventive channel, YouTube channel. So with respect to the trademark registration, ensure that your brand's trademark is registered with the relevant property IP office in the country where you're seeking enrollment. Amazon requires a valid and active trademark to participate in the brand registry. The enrollment process is as follows. Brands can apply for enrollment in the Amazon Brand Registry by providing information about their registered trademark, including the registration number. The enrollment process involves verifying the trademark ownership. Amazon then verifies the brand owner's right based on the provided trademark information. This step ensures that only legitimate brand owners gain access to the brand registry tools and benefits. Once approved, the brand owners gain access to a set of tools and features within the Brand Registry dashboard. These tools are designed to enhance brand protection, control, and presence on the platform. How do you use this to protect your brand? Brand owners can use the Brand Registry tool to report and take down listings that infringe on their intellectual property rights. These tools streamline the process of handling intellectual property issues on the platform. The brand owners, the brand registry program provides enhanced search capabilities, allowing brand owners to efficiently find and report potential infringements. This includes the ability to search for images and text that may be associated with counterfeit or unauthorized products. The brand registry program aims to be proactive in preventing the potential infringements, and it uses machine learning and automated protection to detect and remove listings that may be infringing on enrolled brands. In addition to this, the transparency program integration can be beneficial. So brand owners enrolled in the Amazon brand registry may have the option to integrate with the transparency program. This program prevents counterfeits by assigning unique codes to products, allowing customers to verify authenticity. So by enrolling in the Amazon brand registry, brand owners can take advantage of those tools and features to protect their brand, enhance customer trust, and maintain control over their products listing on the platform. Keep in mind that the program details may evolve, and it's recommended to refer to Amazon's official resources for the latest information on the brand registry. In addition to Amazon's brand registry for trademarks, Amazon also has a neutral patent evaluation process for patents, where the IP owner can submit their proof of infringement and have a neutral evaluator make a decision to exclude certain infringing products from the marketplace. So this program is set for patents that are easily, where infringement is easy to ascertain. So for example, the patent might be covering a particular mechanical structure that the evaluator can look at and without deep reverse engineering determine infringement. So the process is like this. First, the patent owner requests to participate in Amazon's neutral patent evaluation process and submits a statement identifying the accused infringement products by the Amazon Standard Identification Number, or ASIN, and explain how the products infringe the patent. Amazon then initiates its neutral patent evaluation process by sending the owner and the accused infringing sellers a neutral patent evaluation agreement. The agreements are then signed by people who agree to be bound by the decision. And an accused seller has 21 days to which to decide whether to sign the Amazon's agreement and participate in the neutral patent evaluation process. If the seller signs the agreement and agrees to the evaluation, its listing will remain active until the conclusion of the neutral evaluation process. However, if the seller does not agree to participate in the evaluation process, Amazon will remove the listings of the seller's accused products from Amazon Marketplace. Then the patent owner has the option of resolving the claims against the sellers who contacted the owner within the 21 period. During this period, the parties can settle out of the evaluation process, or you can enter into licensing agreement. Of those who ultimately signed the Amazon's agreement and agreed to be participating in a neutral evaluation process, Amazon will select a neutral third-party patent lawyer to serve as the evaluator, and then sends the instructions to all parties on how to pay the $4,000 deposit to the evaluator. Once each party has paid their fees, the evaluator contacts the party to inform them about the process and the timing. And after receiving the instructions, the patent owner would then prepare and send a written submission explaining how the accused products infringe the patent. And after the submission from the patent owners, the sellers can voluntarily withdraw from the evaluation process, and of course that seller's product listing will be removed. Eventually, the other alternative is that the accused sellers submit their written responses, and under this procedure, a seller has only three arguments to make. Number one is that the accused product does not infringe the asserted patents. Number two, a court of competent jurisdiction, the U.S. Patent Office or the U.S. International Trade Commission, has found that the asserted patent claim is invalid or unenforceable. And number three, that the accused seller has credible evidence that the accused products were on sale 1 year or more before the asserted patent's earliest filing date. The accused sellers can argue why they don't infringe or invalidity, and the patent owners would then have 7 days to reply to the arguments. And if the evaluator agrees with the patent owner, then the accused seller's product listing would be removed, and the $4,000 deposit paid by the patent owner would then be refunded to the patent owner. Otherwise, if the patent owner fails to show infringement, then the evaluator would decline the request, and the patent owner would lose the $4,000 deposit. So that's a short summary of how Amazon's neutral patent evaluator process operates. Enforcing intellectual property rights on the Amazon platform requires a proactive approach to protect your brands and products. Here are some of the best practices and measures to help enforce IP rights on Amazon. First, take advantage of the Amazon Brand Registry. Enroll in the Amazon Brand Registry, which provides tools and resources to protect your brand. It allows you to report and take down listings that infringe on your trademark and other intellectual property. Second is to do trademark registration as soon as possible, because that's a prerequisite for the Amazon Brand Registry. You need to register your trademark with the relevant intellectual property offices, and having a registered trademark strengthens your position and provides a basis for enforcement actions on Amazon. You can also use the Amazon patent neutral evaluation process to enforce your patents on products that infringe your patent. The way you write your claim needs to be in a way that is easily that infringement is easily accessible. And so that means you may want to consider design patents as well as a very detailed description of the product characteristics that a patent lawyer can evaluate infringement easily without having to do reverse engineering, for example. Next thing is regular monitoring. You need to regularly monitor on the Amazon platform for any potential infringement. You can use Amazon's search and reporting tools to identify unauthorized use of your brand or product listings. You can also utilize Amazon's reporting tools, and this is done by becoming more familiar with their tools to report trademark infringement, counterfeiting, or unauthorized use of copyrighted materials. Of course, you can always use the conventional cease-and-desist notices, and if you send that to sellers who are infringing on the IP rights, you can clearly state the nature of the infringement and demand that they stop the unauthorized use of your IP on the Amazon platform. So those are a few tools available for you to protect yourself on the Amazon platform, and other online platforms also have similar intellectual property protection mechanisms. So, please check back as things evolve. We will report it to you. Thank you for joining our intellectual property education series. We hope that this journey has empowered you with the knowledge to navigate the world of patents, trademarks, trade secrets, and copyrights. Stay inspired, protect your innovations, and continue to explore the boundless possibilities of your inventive mind through the intellectual property system. Subscribe for more insights, and until next time, innovate boldly.